Here's 1st century A.D. Jerusalem at the time of Christ. In the background is the temple area. It was Herod's temple. The first temple was built by Solomon, destroyed in 950, destroyed by the Babylonians in 584. 40 years later, it was rebuilt by Ezra. That was the second temple. It was destroyed by the Maccabean revolt in 150 BC. Herod came to this area appointed as the king of Palestine, and he rebuilt the temple to placate the Jews, and here it is behind me. You see the court of the Gentiles. Then the first tier inside is the court of the women, then the court of the men, and the tall structure is the holy place, and inside is the Holy of Holies, and that's where the priests went once a year on the Day of Atonement to give atonement for all the people, the holiest place in all the world, all of Jewry. And it was built on top of the mount where Abraham offered Isaac, Mount Moriah, right on the top. And now we see the Dome of the Rock on it, but this is 1st century. Over there on the right is a castle. It's called Fortress Antonio. It's where Pontius Pilate hung out and all the Romans. They didn't build the fortress to defend the city. They built the fortress to defend themselves from the uprising of the Zealots, who at any time could erupt and try to overthrow Rome. Of course they did in 70 AD. The last battle was lost here, but it was at Masada, 30 miles south of here, near the Dead Sea. And they held out for 3 years, but finally they lost the territory, and the great diaspora of the Jews being kicked out of this so-called Holy Land and scattered around the world, only until returning in 1948.